In this video, we are going to compare, in just 3 minutes, the LST compressors versus the HST compressors. Let's start by saying that LST compressors, low starting torque, which translate as low starting torque compressors, are a simple and cost-effective solution in domestic refrigeration systems. They stand out for the fewer starting components they require, and because they are used in generally simpler or lower capacity refrigeration systems. The main characteristic of LST compressors is their ability to start only when the pressures between discharge and suction are equalized. This pressure equalization is achieved by using capillary tubes as expansion or control elements. It is important to mention that expansion valves should not be used with LST compressors, as they can create challenges during startup. The combination of an LST compressor with an expansion valve could cause problems during the startup process and affect the overall system performance. Although the use of the starting capacitor in the LST type compressor is optional, the torque achieved by an LST compressor remains lower than that of an HST type compressor, high starting torque. On the other hand, HST compressors are capable of starting with unequal pressures, that is, in very short cycle times, using capillary tubes or expansion valves, interchangeably. HST compressors are equipped with more robust motors, specifically designed for the use of starting capacitors. HST compressors require a starting capacitor, and greatly exceed LST compressors in torque. HST motors use CS, capacitor start, and CSR, capacitor start, run, motors. The CSR system includes a starting or intensity relay, a starting capacitor, and a running capacitor. Incorrectly selecting a compressor, especially in terms of starting torque, can lead to problems. During compressor startup, the torque required to overcome pressure differences, rotor inertia, and friction may be insufficient, resulting in a locked rotor current and activation of the thermal protector to prevent further damage.